Good morning everybody, come back to see I'll ask you guys again in this morning for my yoga on the back side and yoga rising out my back with the mobility, back pain also. I hope I'll ask you guys come and enjoy practice with me in this morning on my balcony after I wake up. It's my daily routine to do my yoga exercise. Okay, now don't waste your time, please come and enjoy to practice with me together. Please. Before we start, to straight slowly relax. We do it 3 times. Go to back. One more. Last one, go to the back, straight your back. Okay, we drop down and we go up. 1, 2, 3, and we can 3. Stretching back. 1, inhale back. 2, rocking to the right side. Inhale back. 3, stretching. Last one to the right side. Okay. Inhale back to the center. And we can change the side. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Start stretching to the left. 1, 2. Last one. 3. Okay. Inhale back. And we continue with the one more rotation. Open your leg on the right side and put twist in this position, and we can be to do stretch, resting to the right side. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. Last one. Stretching. Okay. Inhale back. Change the side. Opening. And pause it. In this position. And stretching. 1. 2. Last one. 3. Okay. Inhale back. Relax and straight your back slowly. 1, 2. Last one. 3. Very good. And then drop down and up your feet and hold your ankle in this position 3 times. Plan. 1, 2. Last one. 3. Okay. Inhale. Relax. In the puppy pool. Relax slowly. Okay. legs out. Straighten your back. Thank you everybody for coming and join with me with my yoga stretching and back pain relief. Everybody, I hope as you guys happy to enjoy and do it at home together to make you are feeling peaceful and release from your pain very fast. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful night, and have a good luck for people around the world. See you, love you.